For more than 20 years, Roseville Yamaha, now Roseville Motorsports, has been helping families just like yours make memories that will last a lifetime. There's a full selection of dirt bikes, street bikes, utility and sport ATVs, side-by-side scooters, personal watercraft, and now specialized e-bikes. At Roseville Motorsports, we sell family time. Our experienced staff and huge inventory of Yamaha, Kawasaki, Suzuki, and Polaris products means that you get amazing service and support both before and after the sale. If you have not seen our new 34,000 square foot showroom in Rocklin, hurry in today. You won't believe our huge selection of specialized e-bikes, plus Yamaha, Kawasaki, Polaris, and Suzuki vehicles. And our friendly, helpful staff is ready to help you find the vehicle of your dreams. Stop into Roseville Motorsports today, 6005 Pacific Street in Rocklin. Online at roseville-motorsports.com.